Hi everyone, my name is Arai and today I want to teach you about the present perfect tense. This tense is super useful when talking about life experiences, recent actions, and events that connect the past with the present. So let's get started. Here we're going to present the form, use, and examples. But the form. Let's dive into the form. For the form, we have different for affirmative, negative, and question. For the affirmative form, we have the subject, the have and has, and plus the past participle. For the negative, we have subject plus has or have and plus not and plus the past participle. And for the question, we have, has, subject, and the past participle. For the example of affirmative, we have you have already eaten. First the subject, then have, and then the past participle. But also we have the adverb already. We're going to explain this at the end. For the negative of the example we have you haven't eaten yet. We also have here an adverb that is yet. And then for the question we start with have. Have you already eaten? We also have the adverb already. Well, here we have a note. Then we use already to show that something has happened before now and yet to indicate that we expect something to happen soon. Then for the use. We can use it for explaining life experiences, actions that are started in the past and continue now, actions with an impact on the present, present actions, and unfinished actions. I have an example for you to get a better understand of this example of these uses. For life experiences, I have an example. I have seen that movie before. This showed that I experienced it at some point in my life. Another for action that started in the past and continue now. It will be she has worked at this company since 2020. This action is still happening. We use since that is an we use an exact date for this example. And then for actions with an impact on the present. As example, we have learned many new words since we started this course. And this is the result of learning is still relevant. For recent actions, I have just finished my homework. It happened very recently. For unfinished actions, he has lived in New York for 5 years. It is not finished, and he still lives there. We have here more examples about the affirmative, negative, and question form. Okay, have more examples for you. As a life experience, I have visited Paris. It's a life experience. And for an ongoing actions, she has lived here since 2015. For completed action with an impact on the present, they have already finished the project. For unfinished actions, we have known each other for 10 years. And for a recent action, it will be he has just called. And as you can see here, all of these examples are for affirmative, but we also can use it for expressing a negative experience or to use it for a question. For example, for the recent action, he has just called. We can use it for negative. He hasn't just called. We add the not for the has in the has. Um, and to use it as a question, has he just called? It will be the question form. We have here the difference between the present perfects and the present perfect continuous. And to summarize this, the present perfect tense is great for talking about life experiences, ongoing actions, and things that still affect the present. It is not the same to use it as a present perfect continuous because it is more for the present perfect is more emphasizing on the result rather in the action. Because to emphasize on the action, we have the present perfect continuous. So thanks for watching and keep practicing, and you will master the present perfect tense in no time. See you next time.